In this video, we will go over Microsoft Teams. We'll go over the features and how to use it. So this is Microsoft Teams. You have your general functionality to your left-hand side. So this is my activity feeds, which kind of tells me what's been going on. So one of the really cool features about Microsoft Teams is this chat feature right here. So this chat is really great if you want to use it only for internal employees. So this chat, you should not use this if you're communicating with any vendors or clients or anything like that. It's only going to be used for employees within Pan American. So the main distinction when using chat versus emails is chat's really great if you just need to have, if you just have a quick question or a quick comment. That you don't need to send via email. So something that I like to use chat for is if I asked if you have a password for something, or if you can send me my credential or for something. So it's really great for something that's really quick. If you're in the office and you have a meeting scheduled, but you're running maybe 5 minutes late, you can just send a quick chat over, just letting that person know, hey, running late, be there in 5. So that's a really great example of when to use your chat. And you can see right now that they have each person that I'm chatting with right now has a little kind of color circle by their name. So if I hover over this right now, it tells me that this person is busy, this person is available, and this person is away right now. So I can change that functionality for myself as well. So I'm currently away, but if I want to make sure that people know that I'm available, I can change that to busy, do not disturb, etc. So chat's really easy. Just go ahead and click this icon right here when you want to create a new chat. And then this is synced to your Outlook contacts, so it's very easy to start a new chat with someone. If I type all of these people from my Outlook contacts will automatically kind of appear right here. So the next feature of Teams is actually the Teams portion of it. So when you are set up, you're going to be added to the appropriate team. So whether it's accounting, supervision, HR, training, you're going to be added to that channel. So it'll kind of tell you what's been going on. What's really great about this is that, for example, for this manager training channel that I have, it'll kind of just tell you, again, what's been going on in the general, but also what's cool is that, for example, I can post files. So I posted some files that are applicable to this channel that I have going on. And then you could also post a wiki, which is kind of how you're going to be using this channel. I posted kind of the things that we need to do within the channel. And then I could also set this up and link it to Onenote, which is very awesome. So this is right here. My Onenote section is linked within this channel just to make for easy access. The functionality is pretty much the same when you use OneNote through Microsoft Teams. The only big difference is for sharing purposes, it's pretty limited within Teams, so you're going to actually have to go to the OneNote application if you want to do sharing and other kind of a bit more complex processes. So yeah, when you're added to your appropriate team, make sure you go ahead and check out the posts, any files you have going on. Within the post, you're able to at someone, so you can directly type that person in here to mention their name. So this person will pop up, so she'll know exactly that Ashley will know that I am referring to her in this post. And it's kind of like that chat function where you can message people, post updates within, and then any type of activity will also be listed out in here. So check out the posts, check out the files and the wiki. Next, you have your calendar. So this is synced up to your Microsoft calendar. I would recommend that if you need to make any adjustments to your calendar, actually do so within the Outlook calendar application. But if you just want to quickly reference and check what you need to do, you can do it via Teams as well. You could also make calls, which is really handy. So instead of having to set up a conference call or schedule like a go-to meeting, you can do it through the Teams platform. And then you could also video conference as well, so that's very handy. Like I said before, you can add your files in here. And then your OneNote. I hooked my OneNote up to this so I can access it for easy use within Microsoft Teams. And you can do so by going here. You can find the app, so OneNote, and then add it in. And that is Microsoft Teams.